in a move that underscores its role as a barometer of crypto market maturity. Coinbase has announced the inclusion of 6 new cryptocurrencies in its flagship, to Coinbase 50 index, a basket comprising the 50 most liquid, relevant, and actively traded digital assets listed on the exchange. This week's update does more than reflect current trends. It solidifies a strategic shift toward blockchains with proven real-world utility in sectors such as supply chain logistics, gaming, high-performance, decentralized finance, and enterprise tokenization. The newly added networks Hedera, Mantle, Vetchin, Immutable, Say, and Flare represent distinct technological fronts that converge on one critical point: the ability to solve tangible problems beyond crypto's speculative realm. This index expansion arrives amid growing institutional demand for assets with concrete use cases. As the market digests Bitcoin's recent correction and recalibrates post-halving expectations, sophisticated investors are shifting focus from abstract narratives to infrastructures that generate measurable economic value. As one of the largest regulated exchanges in the US, Coinbase acts as a quality filter, and its decision to include these 6 projects signals they have reached thresholds of security, liquidity, governance, and adoption suitable for both institutional and conservative retail investors. Hedera HBAR was selected primarily for its leadership in enterprise tokenization. Its hashgraph-based network, governed by a council including Google, IBM, and Boeing, delivers high-speed, low-cost transactions with regulatory compliance, making it ideal for corporations seeking to tokenize physical assets, contracts, or supply chains. The market responded swiftly. HBA arose nearly 3% in the last 24 hours to 13 cents, reflecting appetite for Web3 solutions with real-world applicability. Mantle MNT, meanwhile, represents the evolution of modular Ethereum Layer 2 solutions, with a hybrid model combining optimized rollups, decentralized sequencing, and a treasury system backed by its native token. Mantle offers scalability without compromising Ethereum's inherited security. Its inclusion highlights the trend toward intelligent fragmentation of the Ethereum ecosystem, where specialized chains serve niche markets with superior efficiency. MNT gained 2.0%, reaching 99 cents, a psychologically significant level near parity with the US dollar. Vetchin brings to the index one of the pioneers of industrial traceability. With established partnerships in luxury goods, pharmaceuticals, agribusiness, and automotive manufacturing, Vetchin enables companies to verify product authenticity, origin, and history using IoT sensors integrated with blockchain. This practical application, reducing fraud, improving logistics, and meeting regulatory demands, has driven its global corporate adoption. The market took notice. VET jumped to 0.9% to $0.012, proving that value now stems not from hype, but from measurable real-world impact. In the gaming and digital assets space, Mutable IMX marks the inclusion of infrastructure built specifically for scalable NFTs and Web3 gaming. Operating as an Ethereum Layer 2 dedicated exclusively to gaming, Immutable solves the sector's 2 biggest pain points: cost and speed. Major studios like GameStop, Illuvium, and Gods Unchained already use its network to mint, trade, and manage digital items without overburdening Ethereum. Its addition to the Coinbase 50 validates the maturity of blockchain gaming and ecosystem that has evolved from experimentation into a vibrant economic network with millions of active users. IMX responded with a 3.2% gain, now trading at 28 cents. Say, on the other hand, was chosen for its architecture optimized for high-frequency trading, designed from the ground up for decentralized financial applications. Say introduces innovations like twin turbo consensus and native limit order books features, previously exclusive to centralized exchanges. This positions Say as one of the most attractive blockchains for high-performance DeFi, especially in emerging markets where speed and cost dictate mass adoption. The Say token rose 2.0% to 12 cents, cementing its status as a benchmark in low-latency DeFi infrastructure. Finally, Flare FLR enters the index for its unique role in enhancing interoperability across isolated networks. By bringing smart contract functionality to blockchains that originally lacked it, such as the XRP ledger and Litecoin, Flare enables these ecosystems to integrate with DeFi, oracles, and decentralized applications without compromising their native security. This cross-chain utility layer approach is essential for a truly multi-chain future, where assets and data flow freely between networks. Together, these 6 additions reveal a new phase in crypto's evolution, the end of pure speculation and the beginning of selection based on real utility. Coinbase isn't just listing assets, it's curating a portfolio of the future digital infrastructure. And in doing so, it provides investors with a roadmap for where institutional capital will flow in the coming years. Not 2 empty promises, but 2 networks already moving billions in tangible economic value. Moreover, the immediate price impact, all 6 tokens posting gains within 24 hours of the announcement, demonstrates the power of institutional validation. Inclusion in an index like Coinbase 50 not only boosts visibility, but also triggers automated inflows from ETFs, index funds, and algorithmic trading strategies, creating a virtuous cycle of liquidity and stability. In summary, Coinbase's move is far more than a technical update, an unequivocal signal that the crypto market is maturing. And as blockchains evolve from speculative platforms into the backbone of entire digital economy sectors, investors who understand this transition will be positioned not just to profit, but to actively participate in building the next chapter of the internet.